Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. In the last video, we have generated the SS token, and generally if you want to know where to get the SS tokens or the app secret and the password, how to get them, we are going to learn in this video. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. What you have to go to the settings to get the SS tokens. In the settings, we have the sales channel. Okay, so apps and the sales channels. Here we have the develop apps. Okay, so go to that one and allow custom app development. Okay, no, I think we have already made one of the applications, so let's go and check this app. This one, installed apps, develop apps. So currently one of the development apps is there. Where it is? Here it is not there. Let me go and another one. So here we go with the, no, I think this is different one. So we have to switch the account with the our all stores. So we have two toys, one that we have created. Okay, so let's go to that one. Go to the settings. Here we have the, you have to go to the partners account and app sales and the channels. Okay, so develop Shopify apps. So here you can see that we have the test one. No, I think we have in the test. I think test is there. Okay, so here you can see that we have the API credentials. So here you will retrieve your SS token. Okay, so admin API SS token is there. So you have to just copy this token and use it wherever you want to use it. Okay, for the assessing the admin APIs, right, of the Shopify. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.